Hi friends, so this is demo Bigtable part 2. So now in your previous video you can see I have run this command, so it was running. So we have it has run successfully. So then it will look like this only hbase main. It will look like this only hbase main like that. So I tried to enlarge it. Okay, fine. So here I am going to copy this command, create my table and cfone. Okay, so now I am going to enter this one, create my table cf1. My table, it is a table name, cf1 it's a column family name. So just enter it. So now then we have to go to the next step. Okay, the cell looks like only 0 rows 1520 seconds. Yeah, it's coming like this only. Okay, my table, it has been added now successfully. Next step, we are going to list our table. Just we are going to list our table, list. Okay, now we have listed our table my table name. Okay, then we are going to see next step, put the value test value in the row 1 using the column family cf1 and the column qualifier c1. Okay, put my table and r1 it is the row and cf1 it is the column family and c1 it is the column qualifier. Test value, it is the test value, so we are going to update this one. Okay, so we are going to copy this and enter here. It is running now. Let's wait for it. Okay, it has successfully, we have done this one. And now we are going to use the scan command to scan the table and read the data which we have added. So scan my table. So if we scan our table, the shell displays output similar to the following. Row we will get R1, column cell, column CF1 and timestamp. Then value, it is a test value. We have given the test value here. It is a value only. So here it will come like this. So let's see for the output. So scan my table. So it's coming like that. Row it's coming, column cell it's coming. It's loading now. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it came now, you can see here. So row it's r1 and column plus cell column cf1 colon c1 and timestamp, we can see the timestamp here. And value it is the test value which we have given already. So we got the output finally. Then we can type exit and press enter to exit the HBase shell. You will see a series of log messages after you exit, which is normal. So we can exit. So we are done with our lab session today, Bigtable. So this is the build success log messages we can get. Total time 6 minutes. So we have done this one, finished it. So this is the date. Okay, date and time we can get this one. Now we are going to finally to avoid incurring charges to our Google Cloud account for the resources used in this Bigtable demo. So we have to follow these steps to delete those things. So open the list of the cloud Bigtable instances in the cloud console. So click quick instance and we have to delete the instance. So just we are going to delete the instance. So go to that Bigtable. So here just click this one. So here we have the delete instance. So before deleting the instance, you can see this the quick instance name and instance ID, type, production environment, and storage is SSD. CPU utilization average 0.7%. You can see the dashboard here, and the nodes which we have used only we have used it. Okay, now I am going to delete this instance. You can see this monitoring and remaining those things also. You can refer this. So CPU utilization, you can see whatever they have given here. You can see this reference. It's a dashboard for the Bigtable. Okay, fine. Now I am going to delete the instance. Just click delete instance. So the operation cannot be undergone. Delete an instance and cluster. This operation cannot be undone. So deleting this instance will permanently remove the instance, its cluster and all the cluster's data. You can't undo this later. Confirm deletion by typing the instance ID below quick start instance. Just click this, select this one, and we have to type this one, quick start instance. Enter here, just click delete. So the now Bigtable instance will be deleted successfully. Yes friends, so successfully we have deleted, the Bigtable instance has been deleted now. Thanks a lot friends, we have done with our lab. If you have not seen my previous video about the Bigtable, you can see that video, then you can watch this video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud Platform. Thanks a lot, have a great day, bye.